Are you tired of leaving streaks, puddles, or hidden scratches on your gorgeous vinyl floors every time you try to clean them? Stop ruining your investment and discover the absolute best mops designed specifically to make your vinyl floors shine. Make sure you stick around for our #1 pick because it utilizes a completely unique moisture control mechanism that literally changed the way I clean my house forever. 7. HOMTOYOU 435-3Z IPB. When you first unbox this unit, you will immediately notice how light the overall frame is, which makes carrying it up and downstairs an absolute breeze. The assembly process is incredibly straightforward, snapping together in just a few seconds without the need for any complex instructions or tools. It comes equipped with reusable microfiber pads that have a relatively soft texture, designed specifically to glide over smooth surfaces like luxury vinyl without causing any harsh abrasions. The main selling point of this model is its integrated spray mechanism, controlled by a simple trigger on the top handle. In theory, this allows you to ditch the heavy bucket and just use the onboard cleaning solution for a quick pass around the kitchen or hallway. However, during my extensive testing, I noticed that the trigger mechanism can feel a bit stiff after prolonged use, and the spray pattern itself lacks consistency. Instead of a wide, even mist that delicately coats the vinyl, it sometimes outputs a slightly heavier stream, which means you have to work a bit harder to spread the liquid evenly across the floor before it pools in the plank seams. Moving down to the water reservoir, the bottle is fully detachable and allows you to mix your own custom floor cleaning solutions, which is a great money-saving feature. You simply pop it out, fill it up at the sink, and click it back into the frame. Unfortunately, the seal on the bottle cap is not the most robust design I have encountered. If you do not thread it perfectly, or if you happen to store the mop at an angle in a crowded utility closet, you might find a slow drip leaking down the shaft and pooling on the floor, which is the exact kind of standing water you want to avoid on vinyl. Maneuverability is another important factor when cleaning around dining room chairs and kitchen islands, and the HOMTOYOU features a standard swivel head to help navigate those obstacles. 6. Panda Grip ZQ Steebred 02 US02. Out of the box, it features a very clean, visually appealing aesthetic with its bright red accents and sleek metal pole. The mop head itself is generously sized, aiming to reduce the amount of time you spend pacing back and forth across your living room. It also comes with a scraping tool that snaps directly onto the pole, intended to help you easily remove tangled hair and large debris from the pad before tossing it into the washing machine. The handle construction utilizes a segmented design, meaning you screw multiple small metal poles together to reach the desired height. While this makes shipping and initial packaging highly efficient, it introduces a few structural compromises during actual use. As I was testing this mop on a large stretch of vinyl flooring in a hallway, the constant back and forth friction caused the segments to slowly unscrew. I found myself having to pause and tighten the handle every 10 minutes or so, which interrupts the flow of your cleaning routine and can be quite frustrating when you just want to get the job done. The base plate connects to the reusable microfiber pads using standard Velcro strips running along the bottom. Initially, this Velcro provides an incredibly strong, secure grip that keeps the pad firmly in place, even when navigating tight corners. The downside to this specific hook and loop design is that over time, the Velcro rapidly collects stray lint, pet hair, and carpet fibers from the surrounding environment. As the Velcro clogs up with debris, the pads start to droop at the edges, which drastically reduces the mop's ability to clean right up against your baseboards without leaving a gap. When it comes to actual performance on vinyl planks, the Panda Grip glides reasonably well across the synthetic surface. The primary issue I discovered lies in the thickness and density of the supplied microfiber pads. 5. Swiffer Sweeper Mops for Floor Cleaning. There is a very good reason why this simple, unassuming green tool has become a staple in millions of homes around the world. It strips away all the complexity of floor cleaning and delivers a streamlined, highly intuitive experience. The minimalist design consists of a lightweight aluminum pole, a flat pivoting plastic head, and the unique push to grip fabric holders on the top corners. It requires zero maintenance, zero mixing of chemicals, and zero washing of dirty mop heads, making it the ultimate grab and go solution. One of the greatest strengths of the Swiffer sweeper is its incredible versatility, seamlessly transitioning between wet mopping and dry sweeping. When testing the dry sweeping cloths on a dark-colored luxury vinyl floor, I was genuinely impressed by the electrostatic action. It acts almost like a magnet, pulling in fine dust particles, human hair, and pet dander that traditional brooms simply kick up into the air. This dry sweeping action is crucial because it gently removes abrasive dirt that can cause micro scratches on your vinyl's protective wear layer over time. When you switch over to the disposable wet mopping pads, the Swiffer sweeper really shines for quick maintenance tasks. The wet cloths are pre-saturated with a specifically formulated cleaning solution designed to cut through grease and grime without leaving a sticky residue. Because the moisture level is perfectly calibrated at the factory, you never have to worry about accidentally flooding your vinyl floors. The liquid evaporates remarkably fast, leaving behind a clean, streak-free shine and a highly pleasant, fresh scent that makes your whole house smell clean instantly. The ergonomics of this mop are practically flawless in their simplicity. It is so incredibly lightweight that anyone, regardless of age or physical strength, can maneuver it with zero strain. 4. CleanHOME Orange. This mop is designed for the user who wants a bit more substance and adaptability out of their cleaning tools. The build quality feels like a significant step up from standard entry-level options, featuring dense, high-grade plastics and a robust metal framework. It is built to withstand the rigors of daily household use, offering a reassuring heft that makes it feel like a serious cleaning implement rather than a cheap disposable gadget. A standout feature of this model is the fully extendable handle mechanism. Instead of screwing separate pieces together, it utilizes a smooth telescoping action with a secure locking collar. This is an absolute game changer for taller individuals, as it allows you to customize the pole length perfectly to your height, completely eliminating the lower back pain typically associated with hunch-over mopping. During testing, the locking mechanism held incredibly tight. No matter how much forward pressure I applied while scrubbing, the handle never once slipped or collapsed back on itself. The mop head design itself is uniquely engineered to tackle a variety of different household messes. It has a slightly textured base plate that applies even pressure across the entire surface of the cleaning pad. This ensures that the middle of the pad makes just as much contact with the vinyl as the edges do, resulting in a perfectly uniform clean without leaving any dirty streaks behind. Furthermore, the rectangular shape features crisp 90-degree corners, granting it excellent edge cleaning capabilities when tracking directly along baseboards and underneath toe kicks in the kitchen. When we look at the absorbency and material quality of the included pads, the CleanHOME truly impresses. The fabric is highly porous and eagerly drinks up liquid spills. If you accidentally drop a glass of water or spill a bowl of soup on your delicate vinyl floors, you know that sitting moisture is your biggest enemy. 3. MEXERRIS 410 ml Floor MOP. From the moment you assemble it, you can feel the premium nature of the materials. The pole is constructed from a high-grade aluminum alloy that is both remarkably lightweight and incredibly strong. There is absolutely zero wobble or flex at the connection joints, providing a solid, confident feel in your hands that makes navigating around your home an absolute joy. The heart of this system is the perfectly sized 410 milliliter fluid reservoir. The designers hit the absolute sweet spot here regarding capacity. It holds more than enough water and cleaning solution to thoroughly mop a large open concept living space without needing a refill. Yet it isn't so massive that it makes the mop feel top-heavy or cumbersome. The bottle clicks securely into place with a satisfying snap, featuring a high-quality rubber gasket that completely eliminates the annoying leakage issues found in cheaper competitors. What truly elevates the MEXERRIS above other spray mops is the exceptional quality of the spray nozzle itself. When you pull the ergonomic trigger, it doesn't just squirt a messy puddle onto the floor. Instead, it atomizes the liquid, projecting a perfectly dispersed, ultra-fine, wide-angle mist that delicately coats the area directly in front of the mop head. This level of moisture control is absolutely critical for vinyl flooring, as it provides just enough dampness to break down dirt without ever threatening to seep into the floorboard joints. The premium microfiber pads included in the box are nothing short of fantastic. They feature a dual texture weave, combining soft, absorbent fibers with slightly stiffer, woven ridges that act as gentle scrubbers. While testing it on my kitchen floor, it effortlessly lifted dried on coffee spills and sticky syrup residue without requiring me to bend down and scratch at the floor with my fingernails. 2. Conliwell Microfiber Mop. If you have a larger home with expansive stretches of luxury vinyl plank flooring, this is the heavy-duty workhorse you've been waiting for. This mop is built with commercial-grade sensibilities, ditching the plastic gimmicks for a straightforward, highly effective design aimed at maximizing your cleaning efficiency. It is the exact type of tool you would expect to see a professional custodial staff using to maintain high-end office spaces or boutique retail stores. The most prominent feature of the Conliwell is its massive, extra-wide aluminum mop head. By significantly increasing the surface area of the cleaning pad, this mop covers an astounding amount of square footage with every single pass. I tested this in a large, open-concept living and dining area, and it effectively cut my total mopping time directly in half compared to standard-sized tools. It glides over long stretches of vinyl with majestic ease, making incredibly quick work of what usually feels like a daunting, time-consuming chore. Supporting that massive mop head is a heavy-duty stainless steel handle that is virtually indestructible under normal household conditions. When you encounter a stubborn, sticky mess that requires some serious elbow grease, you can lean your entire body weight into this handle without a hint of bending or bowing. It provides unmatched leverage, allowing you to easily transfer your physical effort directly to the floor pad to scrub away the tougher stains safely and efficiently. The reusable cleaning pads are equally impressive, manufactured from an ultra-thick, densely woven microfiber material. Because they are so thick, they trap a ridiculous amount of dust, dirt, and pet hair deep within their fibers, rather than just pushing it around the room. When properly dampened, they leave a perfectly smooth, streak-free finish on vinyl planks. 1. O-Cedar EasyWring Microfiber Spin Mop. This isn't just a mop, it is a complete, masterfully designed cleaning system that addresses every single concern you could possibly have about maintaining delicate, hard floors. If you want the deepest, most thorough clean possible without risking even a drop of water damage to your expensive luxury vinyl, this is the ultimate floor protector that belongs in your home. The absolute game changer that pushes the O-Cedar to the #1 spot is its brilliant foot pedal spin bucket. Instead of relying on your physical hand strength to wring out dirty water, which almost always leaves the mop too wet, you simply place the mop head inside the bucket's wringer and pump the pedal with your foot. The internal gears spin the basket at incredibly high speeds, utilizing centrifugal force to extract the water effortlessly. You have total control over the process. A few pumps for a wetter mop, or several fast pumps for a nearly dry mop. This precise moisture control is precisely why the EasyWring is the undisputed king of vinyl floor care. Vinyl demands a mop that is only slightly damp to break surface tension and lift dirt, ensuring that any residual moisture evaporates within seconds of touching the floor. The spin bucket allows you to achieve this perfect, slightly damp state every single time, completely eliminating the risk of water pooling in the grooves, seeping into the seams, and causing the planks to swell or buckle over the years. Then there is the genius of the triangular mop head design. While rectangular and circular mops struggle to get all the way into the corners of your rooms, the O-Cedar's pointed tip reaches deep into those 90-degree angles, pulling out trapped dust and grime effortlessly.